Hey, Al Siebes here. What if there was specific strategies you could use to increase not only the income on a rental property, but increase the value of that rental property and ultimately increase your net worth at the end of the day and build wealth through it? These three strategies I'm going to share with you, we used on a condo, and then a fourplex, and then a 48 unit, literally monopoly trading up. And through that, we ended up with a $750,000 profit at the end of the day. Check this out. All right, so three key takeaways here on how I made a $750,000 profit on this apartment building. First of all, of course, is location, but I'm gonna build as I go, and these are gonna get more and more crucial to how you build profit into real estate. But first, of course, is location. But what you want to look for on location is not just good location. You want location where you're going to get both cash flow and you're going to get future appreciation. If you can get the two of those married together, it's a wonderful combination. You know, a lot of times when you're like on the coast or you're on the beach, you can get great appreciation potential, but you're not going to get the cash flow because the prices are pushed so high. And then you can go into like a really kind of low priced area and you can get good cash flow, but you're not going to get any appreciation. So if you can marry those two together and find good cash flow and good appreciation potential for the future, that works really well. And we found this town, mid-sized town in Texas called Victoria, Texas. Had a university, well-diversified economy. It had a booming oil thing that started in the south of Texas there. And there was a lot of potential where I could see future growth and appreciation. So that was the location for us. Then secondly, condition. You like something, you want to get a lot of upside, you want to do what's called value add, where you're going to add value to a property. And these last 2 points are major value adds. And the first is condition. So this property was not in great condition. It needed some work. And we could see that as the work was done, that the rents would increase pretty dramatically. These apartments were only rented out for $525 a month. All 48 of them, that was the average. And we knew that if we did some work to them, they'd easily rent for about $100 more a month. Think about it, 48 units times 100 more a month, 4,800 a month, that's 57,600 more a year. So that's where we identified condition could be improved. And the way I did it was very strategic. First started on the inside of the apartments because that's the world of the resident is their apartment. And so we started making the insides as they came vacant, started making them nice and then increasing the rents, and then slowly started on the outside, on the landscaping, on how the property felt as you drove up to it. And with all of that, those rents started jumping up. And that brings me to my third and most crucial point is income. You want to find out ways to add income. And there's a few ways where you can do it. The most obvious is you can add income by increasing the desirability and the condition of the apartment, both inside and out, right? That's going to add income. But there's also little secret tricks. One great one is if you can add laundry into the unit. So there isn't just a laundry room, but you could add a washer and dryer. I had a colleague that did that and added a washer and dryer to every unit, and they figured out that by doing that, they could increase the rent between $75 and $100 a month on each unit. And again, if you've got 100 unit or a few hundred units, that is a lot of additional income. And do you know what that does to value? Just on my property, if you increase $100 a month on a 48 unit, again, that's $57,600 a year. If those properties are selling, let's say for around a 6 cap, and that's what agents, you can talk to real estate agents in certain areas that deal with apartment buildings and say, what cap are they approximately selling for? If they're selling for about a 6 cap, a 6% return, on a 6 cap, that $57,000 in income is a $960,000 increase in price. So you can see right there how the numbers dramatically increase. And so that is the way to do it, is to look for those three things. If you can marry those three things together, location, where you've got both cash flow potential and appreciation growth, condition, where you can add some sweat equity and bring the appearance and the desirability of the property up, and then marrying that with income, bringing up the income, not just because of condition, but maybe you're adding things to it. Maybe you're adding a covered parking component or a laundry component or something like that, where your income's gonna jump up, and with that, your value will skyrocket. If you're interested in getting into more of this apartment investing or real estate investing, comment down below. Let me know what your questions are. I'll shoot an episode on it. I'll respond to you. And also, if you want to look at a spreadsheet that I've used to analyze some of these deals, link down below. You can give me your email address and I'll shoot one to you in an email. But thanks for listening. See you on the next one.